how to authenticate your domain for emails. Welcome to this training session on domain authentication. Make sure you're in the Setup module, then locate the Center Setup tabs. Scroll down until you see the Custom section. In the Domain Authentication area, you'll be able to send emails using your own domain. To begin, type your email under Center Email and hit Setup. When your domain is authenticated, emails will come directly from your domain, which will help prevent your emails from ending up in spam folders. Input your domain and click Add. After you add your domain, you'll notice that its status will read pending. Now copy the CNAME records below and update them with your domain provider. Once updated with your domain provider, your domain will be authenticated automatically. Once authenticated, the status will update in ChildFriendly accordingly. And that's all there is to it.